Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, in this I'd just like to post something that people may find interesting. I use quite a few of these Brother QL label printers. This particular one's a QL 700, and most of the time we use a software called P-Touch Editor, which we do have inventory databases where we have to continuously export the data and then import the data into another program, because the P-Touch editor only allows you to have it in CSV format. So every time we make a change to such like a bin rack up here that we have on the shelf, etc., we have to export and then re-export. So just recently I've created this little program using Python, and basically if I type an SKU number into this program now and select the number of labels I want printed, it will directly talk to the software that we use for the database, and it'll pull that information from the API. Then it will talk to the Brother label printer, of which we tend to use like one set continuous tape of 38mm, and it will print out the labels. So I'm just going to do a demonstration of this particular thing. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to select another SKU, so I'm going to type in 900 369, and then I'll press fetch and print label. And as you can see, it's now printing the bin rack labels out for this particular item, and it just displays a message on the screen. Now we do print about 4 or 5 different labels of various sizes, and I'm going to hopefully integrate it into the same program so that we can then select which label we want with that SKU number, and then it's going to print out relevant information for that particular product. Like we do some for blister packs, we have some for stock in our retail shop, etc, etc. So I found already that it saves so much time. It just in the last few days, just be able to change the data straight away in his database, and then pull up this program, type in the SKU number, and away you go. So hope you found this helpful. See you in the next video.